day, ma'am. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my compliance with our pre-lecture pre-laboratory activity. So, the goal this video is, this activity is to build a React application that display my personal profile, especially in my school logo, name, course, and short biography. To begin the project, I follow the tasks listed in our laboratory overview. So I ensured Node, Node.js and VS Code properly installed, uh, initialize my first React project using Vite and run the development server. So first, the header component. So these components accept the logo URL and school name to render banner area. And second, so the profile card. So this profile card is accept the name, course, and year level to clean structure and identify the requirement activity. And then the third is the biography component. So this component is simply receives biotext to print out my short background paragraph safely. Now let's look at app.jsx, which serves as our main parent component. So here I have declare as central data and containing my actual student information. My name is Joshua Mescala and my course is BSS and ETC. And for the final requirements, I applied basic CSS styling. So inside my app CSS, I centered our layout proper, added white card background with a subtitle draft shadow effect and distinct blue accent border on the left side. And the last is finally, here is the live website output. So as you can see, our header rendering St. Michael College up top and our profile card holding my name, course, year level, and our biography section cleanly outputting my short profile paragraph at the bottom.